The development of simulation technology and its applications. Simulation technology is a rapidly developing field that has revolutionized the way we learn, train, and make decisions. From virtual reality simulations to computer-based models, simulation technology has a wide range of applications across industries, including healthcare, engineering, and education. In this article, we will explore the development of simulation technology and its applications in various fields. Historical overview. Simulation technology has its roots in the early days of computing, with the development of simple programs for modeling physical systems. Over time, these programs became more sophisticated, incorporating advanced algorithms and graphics to create realistic simulations of complex systems. Today, simulation technology is used in a wide range of applications, from training pilots to testing new medical procedures. Healthcare. Simulation technology has had a significant impact on the healthcare industry, providing new opportunities for training and education. Medical simulations, such as virtual surgeries and patient scenarios, allow medical professionals to practice procedures and develop skills in a safe and controlled environment. Additionally, simulation technology can be used to develop and test new medical devices and treatments, reducing the time and cost of clinical trials. Engineering. Simulation technology is widely used in the engineering industry, allowing engineers to design and test new products and systems before they are built. Computer-based simulations can provide detailed insights into the behavior of complex systems, such as aircraft engines and power grids, helping engineers to optimize their designs and improve their performance. Additionally, simulation technology can be used to identify and mitigate potential safety hazards before they become real-world problems. Education. Simulation technology is becoming an increasingly important tool in education, providing students with hands-on learning experiences and opportunities to practice real-world skills. Simulations can be used to create interactive and immersive learning environments, allowing students to explore complex concepts and scenarios in a safe and controlled environment. Additionally, simulation technology can be used to provide personalized feedback and assessments, helping students to identify areas for improvement and develop their skills. Entertainment. Simulation technology is also widely used in the entertainment industry, providing new opportunities for immersive and interactive experiences. Virtual reality simulations, for example, can transport users to new worlds and provide unique and engaging experiences. Additionally, simulation technology can be used to create realistic and dynamic special effects in movies and video games, enhancing the overall entertainment value of these media. Military and defense. Simulation technology is widely used in military and defense applications, providing soldiers with training and practice in realistic combat scenarios without putting them in harm's way. Military simulations can also be used to test and evaluate new weapons and tactics before deploying them in the field. Additionally, simulation technology can be used to model and analyze potential security threats and develop strategies to counter them. Automotive industry. Simulation technology is becoming increasingly important in the automotive industry.